Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the TV and gathering essentials: remote with fresh batteries, account credentials, and a stable power feed. Once ready, power cycle the set, unplug for 10 seconds and replug to clear transient errors. Now, use the remote or the physical reset pin, press and hold volume plus and power, or press the tiny reset hole for several seconds until the recovery menu appears. This is the only way to reach the factory reset options when settings is inaccessible. Once in recovery, navigate with the remote or TV buttons to highlight wipe data/factory reset. This clears apps, accounts, and settings so you regain a clean system. You must confirm the choice, press power or OK, then accept any final prompts to proceed. The TV will begin erasing user data. Make sure to avoid unplugging or powering off. While it takes several minutes, the TV will reboot itself. When it restarts, you'll be at the initial setup screen, ready to sign in again. After reboot, follow the on-screen setup. Select language, connect Wi-Fi, and sign into your account. Once done, make sure apps update and settings match your preferences. If the TV fails to reach setup or remains in a boot loop, try the recovery process again or use an alternate remote or USB keyboard to navigate menus. Sometimes remote input fails. If problems persist, record the model and error behavior. Then contact support for a firmware reflash or hardware service. That resolves the remaining edge cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.